Okay, I'm keeping short the intro, otherwise it gets too long. Uh, Tesla just started recovering, and that's pretty good because all of a sudden it looked like it was gonna start dipping like crazy. Look at that. It was going parallel, the two MACDs, the signal and the MACD. They crossed again, they crossed back, and finally started recovering, going up. And you can see the momentum change also. It was pretty unstable, and now it's going back up, which eventually, if it reaches the top, the 80 is going to bounce back and everything is going to collapse again. So there seems to be a lot of volatility. As I said in my previous video, I think it has to do with the conference call, the conference of the Federal Reserve that is going to happen on Wednesday after hours, and where they're going to discuss about the injection of 1 trillion or 3 trillion into the economy. So that's going to make a big difference, not just for the normal economy, but especially for the financial economy. But we'll see what happens there. A few minutes ago, the portfolio was a minus 150. Now it's recovering, but let's not forget that this morning was at around 2,000, 2,500. So that shows about volatility for Tesla. And why for Tesla? Because Tesla is the biggest asset in the portfolio. Look, Tesla is the biggest one. Any small movements on Tesla make that the portfolio gains or loses. The other ones are like temporary stocks, and they don't have much of an impact. We already sold a couple at a stop loss, but because the day started very good and now it changed to a very pessimistic day. So we'll see how it goes with that. At the end of the day, we're going to have to use the emergency paper roll. I didn't want to use it. I didn't want to have to use it, but that's why it's there. It's waiting for us. Okay? By now, I canceled the stop loss for Tesla, and instead I put a sell order for 9 at 14.45. Why did I do that? Basically, because, it's going to happen right now, so I'm just going to 65. We'll change it quickly. We don't want to sell them, so only if we reach. What I could see is that it was going to turn. It was going to turn, and since we were in a downtrend, I was afraid we'll never recover from this. So it was the end of the Holocaust, the Bermuda Triangle hypothesis I built up myself. So far seems to be going up. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put it even higher up, 75. At least we have the order set, and if something happens, we can quickly change it. But 175 I don't think is going to reach, because today the maximum we had was 179, but that was early in the morning, so it won't happen. But normally if we could sell them before they drop at around 1465, that would be pretty good. But we'll see the evolution of this MACD. Let's maximize the MACD. Basically, just to clarify things, we're in a rescue mission here, and here you have a shooting star towards the bottom. I don't think it's called a shooting star. Normally, a shooting star is when it goes up, I think. But yeah, or still not touching. So that means the trend continues to go up. But that was a very big amplitude. If you think about it, the down and then the up, if it would get all the way back to the previous top, that would be impressive. I don't think it's going to happen though. It's going to fall before that. And I made a mistake there. I saw it was turning down, and I changed the the order to 1440, and now it's still going up. It never touched, and look at that, it's changing even from red to green. So wow, impressive. But yeah, I just wanted to rescue everything. So yeah, I panicked, my fault. Now it starts going down. But okay, I mean, if now it goes down, I don't feel bad, because more or less it's a matter of $2, the difference. So that's not important. I would like to set a stop loss, at least for a few more Tesla shares. And I find that here, these bottoms here, you have a bit of a support line. And so I think if we set the stop loss in between 14.15 and 14.29, that could be a good place. So more towards, we could do 14.23 or 25, 14.25, something like that. Or it might be too tight. 14.23 will do. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so it's ready. We have it here, 14.23, 10 shares of Tesla. That's in case it goes down. And it's on, it's active. Rectification, actually, I just realized, I was looking before in the bigger picture, but here we already reached 14.19, and you don't want to put a stop loss at 14.23. You want to put it a bit lower just in case it uses that as a support line. So if we look here, 14.18, what will be the lowest? 14.18, 14.23 says there, 14.18. Well, we can put it at 14.12, okay? I'll change it. And keeps on going up. So there we go. I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. I'll put the disclaimer right now.